Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here at the Boca Raton, and it's the famed historic resort that is undergoing a $200 million renovation. And one of the things that has been renovated is one of its 5 hotels, the Yacht Club. And I'm here with Corinne Hale, who is the general manager of this wonderful property, and it is one of the, as I said, one of the properties that has been completely renovated. And we're going to talk about this property and a whole lot more on Insider Travel Report. Corinne, first of all, it's great to meet you, and we have a lot of things in common. I've been to a lot of the properties that you have been in the past, but you are now going to oversee. We're brought in last year to manage this wonderful property, and let's talk about it first. What's the history of this, the Yacht Club?
So the Yacht Club, the original architecture was built by Addison Meisner. The property itself was built in the 2000s, much after Meisner's passing, but based on his plans. Mm-hmm. And you see the beautiful Venetian architecture. When Addison Meisner was traveling, he saw the Venetian architecture and wanted to bring it back to this area within his architecture. So as you come to the lobby, you see a traditional Venetian lobby where usually the gondolas would come in underwater.
It is right by the yachts, actually. It's right about next to them, right?
Yes, absolutely. We have a beautiful promenade with yachts right outside, and we're right by the water, hence the name the Yacht Club.
So it fits with the original hotel was the Cloister, I believe, which is it's connected to, but this kind of echoes that a whole decor within it, right?
Absolutely, yes. Yes.
Now, so tell us a little, how many rooms do you have here? And actually, it's all suite, right?
That's correct. It is an adult-only resort. We have 112 suites at the Yacht Club.
Yeah. So, but this is all about service, right? And I know you have butler service for all the suites as well, right?
Yes, that's correct. We wanted to provide a boutique hotel experience at the Yacht Club with butler service and personalized service in all of the suites. Each of the suites has a beautiful balcony overlooking Lake Boca as well as the ocean.
Yeah, and it is gorgeous, and you can watch all the yachts down below. And I think you told me that you really want to highlight the exclusivity of this part of the property, right?
Yes, our guests staying at the Yacht Club have exclusive access to the spa pool as well as to the spa facilities. We also came up with the concept of a private restaurant called Flybridge, located on the 8th floor.
Where we are right now, actually.
Yes, we are in Flybridge. Flybridge will be a small restaurant with 36 seats. Mm-hmm. And the idea was that when you look out of the window, you see the yachts and the water. And when you look to the right, you see our show kitchen, where the chef will be preparing your 4-course prefixed meal for you. And our guests will have 2 options, a vegetarian and seafood option for the evening. This exclusive restaurant will open mid-March and will be spearheaded by Chef Peter Annevanter, who is a renowned chef from Europe.
Yeah, actually I'll have to come back because I just thought it was a breakfast place, which is a wonderful place to have breakfast in the morning where you have a buffet and then you can get other kind of breakfasts. But I saw the kitchen in the back, so this is going to be for dinner as well, right?
Yes, it will be. Yeah.
Now, what other dining outlets do guests here have access to?
So as a guest of the Yacht Club and any of the other hotels, you have access to all of the restaurants on property. At the moment, we have a restaurant open called Sadel's that's located right in the Cloister.
I've tried it with the bagels and the deli type of thing. Right?
I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, yes. The restaurant is split in 2 parts. It's a grab-and-go option. If you just want a simple bagel in the morning, you can have our homemade bagels, or you can sit, of course, and enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have a beautiful bar called Palm Court, also overlooking the marina and the water, as well as Flamingo Grill.
I ate there last night. It's wonderful.
Excellent. And then there's many other restaurants which are opening in the next couple of...
There's a supper club, which I'm hoping to do tonight, I think. MP Supper Club, is that right?
Yes, MP Supper Club is a very fun concept. It was modeled after a traditional New York supper club. There's live entertainment every single evening, and we serve a prefixed meal there. And there's a lot of surprises in the restaurant as you look around. You will see little monkeys everywhere from monkey light fixtures. And that's playing back to Addison Meisner's time, where he had his monkeys. He had.
I think there's a photograph of him with his monkey at the entrance to the restaurant, right?
Yes, yes, there is. Yes, so it was playing to that fact and in honor of Meisner's monkeys he had.
And then you have the option of also taking a boat and going over to your fellow, the beach club, which we're going to actually interview the general manager of the beach club too, and there's a couple restaurants over there as well, right?
Yes, there is a beach restaurant called Marisol, as well as a lounge restaurant at the beach club. And it's a quick ride. The water taxi leaves right in front of the yacht club, and it's a 3-minute ride, and then you're right on the beach at the beach club.
Well, I'm looking forward to doing that, and I believe you have some other concepts. I think there's an Italian concept being developed, and also an Asian concept as well. That's going to be there's going to be no shortage of dining options here if you're staying at the yacht club, right?
That's correct, and that's the beauty of the yacht club. If you want to just come relax and be at the spa and be secluded from everything, you can do that, or you can head out in the world of the Boca Raton, go to the pool club and float in the lazy river, or go on a slide, or go to the beach club and listen to a DJ. So anything you're looking for, we can offer within the resort.
And you also have a pretty large spa, right?
Yes, we have a Palmera spa on property. The yacht club guests have exclusive access to the pool there, so it's the more quiet and serene option compared to the pool club.
No, that's great. And now let's talk a little bit about why you joined. Now, Daniel Hostetler is your president of the Boca Raton, and I know that you have previously worked with him. But what was the appeal of joining this team to really come back and bring back the Boca Raton to its glory?
I've worked with Mr. Hostetler, as you mentioned, on projects in Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and I always admired how he wants to bring back the history and the sense of place of these historic and epic properties. And that was the draw for me here at the Boca Raton when I visited and I saw the history and the project of bringing back what it was, merging it with new ideas, was very exciting. And then, of course, being right at the water at the yacht club and executing that project was also very exciting.
Well, I know it's one of Florida's great hotels. There's some really grand dame hotels all on both coasts, and this has certainly been one of them. And I know I've been here in the past, but to have Daniel coming in here and kind of overseeing it now, and with all of your rest of your team, I think we can expect great things for this property. Now, let's talk a little bit about your background, because you have worked with Daniel and other things. What in your background has prepared you to oversee this property?
I worked within the Relais and Chateau world in the past, which really much focuses on history, sense of place, and being authentic to the area. And I feel that is what I want to bring to the yacht club as well, to give it that sense of place and personalized experiences. It has 112 rooms, but my goal is that everybody knows your name, you feel like you're at home, as well as the culinary aspect of working with the local producers and bringing that to life within Flybridge. So I saw that at the White Barn Inn in Kennebunkport, which was also Relais and Chateau, the Weekapaug Inn in Rhode Island, and of course the Ocean House in Blantyre, which all are Relais and Chateau properties. And I feel that sense of place and that pride of service and excellence of service is something I want to bring to the yacht club.
Yes, and of course, with the Relais and Chateau Association, you're not going to go hungry here, and it's going to be pretty good food once you get rolling with the dinner service in March. What would you tell travel advisors who are looking to sell this property? And yes, it's a member's property, but you also have guests. So it is pretty exclusive, but you can book your guests here with the yacht club at this wonderful property. What would you tell them how to sell this property to their upscale clients?
I would love for it to be sold as an adult-only waterfront property with customized experiences where your personal butler attends to all of your needs, and the culinary delight of our Flybridge restaurant with 36 seats, I think are the drawing points of the yacht club.
And of course, the incredible views that you have overlooking the lake, which is, I think, part of the intercoastal too, so you can see the incredible yachts and everything else going above. So where can travel advisors go to find out more about both the Boca Raton and also the yacht club?
The best place would be our website, thebocaraton.com, or of course give us a call, and our concierge would be happy to assist you with planning your stay with us.
Well, I am actually staying here. I want to thank you. It's been wonderful. I'm staying here for a couple of nights. I'm getting to sample a couple of the restaurants. I had breakfast up here this morning. I'll have breakfast tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that. And of course, I'll look forward to coming back at some point and seeing what you've created with the dinner service here, because it's a incredible views overlooking the lake, the intercoastal, and everything that I've seen. You're going to do great here. It's amazing property, and it's really all the rooms are completely renovated. They're all wonderful and really spacious. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you.
I'm James Schillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.